Before we start, let us all pray muna. Di ba nung nakaraan si Zaira? Let's have... Zaira, sino katabi mo sa upuan?
Si Edjo at si Gedjon po.
Si Ezio? Okay, Ezio. Let's have Ezio.
May I see Zaira beside Princess and Teacher?
Sino
What
ba?
is
Si
your go on?
Okay, Gedeon. Let us all pray, Gedeon.
Okay. Who's leading it?
You.
Josie. Lord, please, protect us, and then so we can have good knowledge for math class, because math is kind of decent, but yeah, I don't know what's next. I don't know. No. Amen.
Okay, so when we're praying, we're going to pray from our heart. Okay po, let's you can say what you want by being thankful or being grateful sa mga blessings na nakuha nyo or sa pagkain na kinain nyo kaninang umaga, and then ask for forgiveness. Okay po? Okay, so now let's start. Get your NB3 and your assignment. Okay, let's start. Did you do your homework, Zaira? It's okay if you don't have. I will send you another when you were here na lang.
I got
Okay.
Hindi yung liquid na.
my answers are
Basta lyrics pa.
How about you, Gayen? Did you answer it all?
I
Gayen?
forgot to do the homework. How about
you, Gayen?
I forgot to do the homework.
When?
I'll do it tomorrow.
oh no, my background is covering up my arm. Look, look.
We're going to check it now.
Oh. Whatever. I could do it. We're gonna get my homework. Look.
Yeah, just look, my background is covering my arm.
Fine, I can answer it now. It's gonna be easy.
Okay. How about you, Princess? Did you do your assignment?
Yes
Yeah, my
po.
background is covering up my arm.
How about you, Zaira?
Teacher, can I tell my answers now?
Only case closed.
Wait. It's okay if you don't have
Teacher, what's your assignment po?
It's okay, Zaira. I will send you another if you were here na lang po. Okay? Good. Okay. How about you, 30? Where is 30? Open your Okay, let's start with letter A. We have 9/7 plus 3/9. Okay. Before we answer, let's choose
I thought it was 7, teacher. I thought it was 7/6, 3/9. That's exactly what I wrote. 7/6, 3/9.
It's over. Di ba namali ka ng kopya kahapon? Yung tatlo sa kabila hindi mo siya nakopya. That's why I I told you to copy.
I did. I copied it.
Ayun mo na, yung 9 over 7 plus 3 over 9. They have,
I can answer
ano,
this. Don't worry, I can answer.
okay, can you see the video? Can you see it?
Yo, this one again. It's this one again. I remember. No, we're gonna see who's driving first. I'm scared.
Let's start with 9 over 7 plus 3 over 9. Okay, let's start. Let's see.
Please, please, please. Come on. No, no, no. Yes, no, 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 no. Yeah. No way.
Fabio,
I'm first.
wow, your duck is so very fast. Okay,
No way.
let's answer.
Who's second though? Who's second? I'm first. No way.
Okay, what is your answer?
My
Okay, 9
answer.
plus 3 over 9.
Two number. Then can I do? No, huh? 7 over 6, 3 over 9.
7 over 6 plus 3 over 9.
Yes. My answer is 81 over 54. Is that correct or no?
81 over 54. Okay, let's check.
I don't know if it's correct. I did butterfly method and I did exactly how it was done. Math. What is this? Oh, this is I remember this. This is a whiteboard. I remember this.
6.
Wait, you can draw as well. Look, oh.
Oh, stop writing na. Stop writing. Ako lang.
Teacher.
What's this?
Don't. No, 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 Ryan. Please don't.
Ako lang. 3 over 9. Oh, look at the 3. Para siyang may sakit. Okay, let's do the butterfly method. 7 times 9 is Zaira. 7 times 9, Zaira.
Wait, butterfly method?
72?
Here po, teacher, butterfly method.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm done
Answer
with the
that.
homework. I'm done with the homework. Told you I could do it.
I'm allowing you as you answer that one.
7 times 9, 9, 18,
71?
4, 60. No, it said 63.
Okay, 63. You write 63 there.
6, okay, 6, 3.
Next.
3 times 6, 18. 3 plus 8. No. 11. 6 and 1, 7, 8. 81. 6 times 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. 54. So answer is 81 over, wait, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 50, oh, 54. And done.
Okay. Is that all?
Correct. It's correct. Yay.
54. Next. So let's clear.
Opo, teacher. Clear, it's, where's the clear? I found it. Yan.
Okay, next naman.
Sino naman? Oh, I do the duck race again. Duck race. Para sino second? Stop. I stopped following teacher.
Next.
Duck race, who's second place? Who's second? Gideon is second. Yeah, yun
It's
is
Gayan.
Gayan. Gayan. No way. Gayan.
Gayan.
My
No way,
name
Gayan.
was spelled wrong.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Ga-ayan. Ga-ayan. Ga-ayan.
Gayan. No, it's Gayan. See,
Oh, yeah,
that's
Gay.
pronunciation.
Gayan. Gayan.
What's the correct
You're
spelling
supposed to be,
ba?
the I is supposed to be first, then the E is second. It's
What's
Gayan.
the correct spelling, Gayan? Ah, okay. I first before A. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Pronounced now that it's been switched, it's pronounced as Gayan.
Okay, I'm sorry. I will correct it.
It's okay, teacher. The second place na si Gayan.
Yes, Gayan, Gayan. Okay, let's have 9/7 plus 3/9. Now, Gayan, use the whiteboard.
Use draw whatever. Draw what. Wait, I'm still using it though.
Si
Oh no,
Gayan,
Gayan is on. Can you see my guys? Can you see my mouse?
it's Gayan.
Wait,
Gayan,
guys,
si
can you see
Gayan.
Gayan.
my mouse? Can you see my mouse?
Everyone get their mouses off of the screen. Let Gayan
What am I
do
supposed to do?
it. You're supposed to
Gayan.
write the
Wait,
second.
guys, can you see? We can see all of our mouses. Wait, can you guys see
Wait
my
lang, I'll
mouse?
write it for Gayan. 6/5.
I said
I
it's
know.
Gayan. Gayan.
Gayan here, oh. This is what you'll answer.
What
Guys,
Gayan
can you see
answered?
my mouse? Can you see my mouse?
Yeah,
Let Gayan.
that Gayan.
I'm just there at the bottom.
Gayan.
What number are we on?
It's
You're
letter
gonna do
E.
the butterfly method. You're gonna do the butterfly method.
What the?
It's okay. It's kind of hard to write on computer. It's easier to write on notebook though. It's just hard to control the mouse when writing.
It's Gayan ba?
Are you sure? Okay, I saw that. You do the thumbs up. Anyway,
It's chaos. Everyone, get your mouses off the screen. Let Guy do his thing.
I thought you were doing minus. There. Guys, done, I think. Let's check it. Yeah.
I'm
3/5. Or negative 3/5. 35. Is that your answer, everyone?
No.
No.
Oh no, wait, it is. It's my answer. It is my answer. It's my
Wait, mine
answer.
-3 over. Wait a minute. Let me.
No, not -3. Not -3.
Negative 3 or positive 3, that's okay.
6
It's
over
okay if it's
5.
negative.
Okay,
My answer is
that's
3 over 35, though.
what is your answer? What is your answer?
Oh, I know my answer's supposed to be 3/42.
It's 6/5. Wait, is that one of the homework questions?
My
Yes.
answer is 14/2.
7.
There, I got
Diba it's
it. Okay,
ba?
number 5.
Diba 5 times 7 is 35. And then, the butterfly method. This is the answer.
Yay.
Okay, next.
Oh, duck race.
Last
Duck
one.
race.
What is the answer?
Wait, last one? Isn't there a meron pa?
Already 48 na kasi 8:48.
Opo, teacher. Okay, who's third? Who's third? Who's third? Please be Gideon. Oh, wait! Oh,
Vyra.
I would be Gideon because he was catching up.
Bro, I know this. Bro, this might be just like the bro. This might not even be randomized. This should just might be picking the winners.
Stop talking. Zaira, do you want to answer?
Can I try?
Yes? Try. Okay, try.
Whiteboard. Oh wait, accident.
Okay, let's
Oh, wait.
have
I opened my right board.
Wait, can you guys see my mouse? Can you guys see my mouse?
Oh
Okay, stop
yes.
talking.
Teacher, I accidentally opened my right. I opened my right board. Dear guys are writing on mine. It's okay.
Bro,
It's okay.
Can you
It's
see
okay,
my
it's
mouse on the
okay.
bottom? Can you see my mouse on the bottom?
Everyone stop! You're making chaos already.
I'm just chilling at the bottom doing nothing.
Okay, who's gonna have a turn again? Who's
It was Zaira. It was Zaira.
Oh yeah, I think so. Okay, everyone's mouse off of the screen. Gideon, put even yours. Put
I'm
it
not
at
even doing anything. My mouse is at the bottom.
okay, and just
Teacher, what's the question po that I have to answer?
9. I think it's 9.
Say sorry to
over-
You say sorry to me.
Why?
Kasi you're giving me an attitude. Di ba, sinasaway ko na kayo, tapos hindi kayo tumitigil.
Sorry,
I'm not doing
teacher.
anything. Sorry.
Hindi pa ulit namin, teachers. Si Zaira na mag-ano.
Teacher, what question do I have to answer?
Di ba sabi ko, ayoko magalit sa inyo. Pero hindi kayo nakikinig sa akin. Di ba I said stop na kanina kasi si Syra na magsasagot. Let's stop. I'm sorry, nagagalit ako ngayon. Sorry.
No, it's our fault,
Sorry.
teacher. Sorry,
Sorry.
teacher. It's our fault. Kasalanan po kami, teacher. Hindi na po writing sa whiteboard. Opo,
Huwag
teacher.
na maulit. Okay?
Ayan.
Okay na. Let's
Okay na po.
time. Dito na.
9 pa lang. May 8 minutes pa naman.
It's okay na. It's okay. Basta you know the butterfly method na, no? The addition and subtraction of fraction. Okay
Yes,
po?
teacher.
And I will check that on Monday. So rest well this weekend. Okay po?
Okay po,
Congrats.
teacher. Bye, teacher.
Next week is ready for another lesson. Bye.
When are we gonna get our math
break
books
time?
back?
Wait, isn't it
No,
break
it's
time?
not. There's one more class pa before break time.
Oh, okay.
Yung math book nyo, di ba binalik ko
You know
ang
what?
math? Di ba binalik ang math book?
Baka wala pa. Baka si Gayan hindi binigay. Kasi baka meron akong notebook naman eh. Maybe.
Check ko na lang gayan sa classroom. Kung nandun. Okay po. Bye-bye.
Meron ba akong notebook dyan sa bag ko? Wait lang, teacher. Wala din po, teacher. Wala po akong notebook.
Check ko na lang sa room nyo. Okay po. Check ko na lang sa room. Bye-bye.
Opo, teacher. Bye-bye. Meron pa pala, hindi, ayun. Pero part 2 yan eh. Bye.
Check ko na lang sa taas. Bye-bye.